going to talk about battery maintenance. Part of our procedures in doing our PMs is doing battery maintenance for gas engine drive units. Doesn't matter if it's a cold water or hot water unit, battery maintenance is all the same. If it's a maintenance required battery or maintenance free, some things will apply, some things won't. We look at these connections and they're not all corroded with acid, but this one's all rusty. This one right here is nice and clean, but it has a potential for having some corrosion. The other thing that we do is we take these caps off right here, pry them off, being careful not to ground out the battery, and we look down inside and make sure that the fluid levels are correct, filling them up with at least water, because we don't carry acid on the truck, but at least fill them up with water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and inspect those. There's another side right here. I'm going to pry this other cap off. I'm going to make sure that they all have fluid, and then I'm going to disconnect my cables. And our maintenance trucks have got some cleaner, and they also have the preservative on that. So I'm going to go ahead and put a cleaner on it and a preservative, and then I'm going to come back and show you what the finished product looks like, because I know you don't want to sit here and watch me put water in those holes or take these off. There's really no secret to taking these off. Obviously, you have to make sure that as you're working with the wrenches that you don't ground out to the frame or to the other battery post, because you'll arc the battery. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward. I would make notes on my PM check sheet in regards to the condition of the cable, because this one right here has got some corrosion. You can see some battery acid corrosion building up down inside the cable, so this cable is going to have to be replaced at some point, maybe in the next PM. And I always do them together as a set. I never do just one. We can advise the customer and let him know. So let me finish up doing the maintenance on this, and I'll show you the completed project.